Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can flip photos on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. The first thing that we need to do is open Google Files. There we go. Now of course we need to find the photo that we want to flip. So I'm gonna go to Images and then I'm gonna, let's say, select this photo over here. Then we want to tap on this pen icon in the bottom right corner. We will open those options. We want to switch to crop at the bottom, and now we can use this icon over here in the middle above the crop text. If you tap on it, then you will rotate 90 degrees, and of course you can keep tapping in order to rotate it. In addition to that, above this icon we can also slide to the left or to the right in order to rotate the photo as well. However, we can only do it up to 45 degrees positive and negative. And of course we can tap the reset button in order to reset this setting. And that's it. After that, once we are done, let's say, with the rotation, we can tap save copy, and there we go. We can go back to the gallery, and over here we have our rotated photo. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.